Ngila tre kini ke kam la kum bakhat lai snem ye menta but ka average turnover jingi kala long kum balai pesan la ke ngila penyar ke kom tre kam jingi limbaga services ke bing ai ki tourist tang haki haka sor bat ngila ya ki nong kendong ba peru man la snem ngila nang keu bat ngila nang kwa ban penhe shushu kini ke kam ko bing tre
ngila sedang ye Little Sunshine Boutique and Nursery House nam ahaja arway bat hakapor bangis sedang ye klamdon kanu ke jing bay pisa ke bahia idon tangi ke jing mut ke jing trang ba ke jing thumu pen orlong ya kini ke kam mentai ngilashna ye kai ke bas kem ngidon ki customer ki buan nakapor shakapor ka kin hun tre ka ba klan bat ru ngilanang kiu na way usnam sha way pat
ka thong kyong i na du astang ta kwa i upen he ye kini ke kam kyong i chiki wi wan ke jinla dadak chna i ye ke jing stang katewan kam i yo pun ku chu i kini ka khi kyong i chiki yaw ka wat me matle yo pun bha i ye kini ka sap ka wade lupa i nei te wan yo i pun scam ni ka nong rim yang kini ka kam ka wade dap sen i kwa ile uchna but yo i kam ile ye kiwi yo open kam i ye kini ki bot technology kiwa ye open bha chu ye ka kam kyong i kwa uchna ki ne khalia kiwa yu yen scam chikling hai
haba piladap banseng bat penyeng nong remya kakam kasin jam ke bobot kolong kumno bopin penhe pensan rengkat ke jingarap ke pebiang ke megapreneur ke deka rensan tang ba ke deka jingakop Henry ke deka rensan ke ba ailat ipi bopin ye kendu iki beri baper bat bopin yo ke jingarap ke company kumno ban kentie ke kam ki jam jumpi
ka megapreneur startup challenge ke deka jingakop banwat ya ki santli ki kam balas dang dalade ban mikmat ya ke jilla Meghalaya ha ke grand pitching segment jong ka megapreneur expo ahaja arpusan ke deka kabu ke bakerpang bat pen pau perthei ya ki kam ki ba kilas dang ban kendu bat ya kren bat ya ki investors dan ki nong bay pisa bat ban nang kentiu shushu ya ki kam ki jongki
pada pikwa bani shimta kani Pidi bandai kinong song jong jela Meghalaya. Pidi bandai ru kinong India ki balak palat eka kat paras nem seneng. Pidi bandai kita ki registered private limited companies. Tane pidi ban long ki bakloi ban register. Pihak ban peni ba katon over jong fi kala cross eka live san lak seneng. Lane pihak ban peni ba pidon eka bor ban yo eka ni. De bandan eka kam lane eka tiar balak ban pendon kam. Eka team ke bas camp. Eka jing yo anong na waves nem sha away. De ban ai kam ai jam ki way. De bandan ke jing shna ba thamai ki tiar lane ki kam ki jong phi. Pidi banlong ki bekloi ban pendon kam ke teknologi. Penem pediang ya kinu ki kam ki baidai bat ka kam khai, dan ki bai tre sieng. Kani ka dei nam ta ki nong seng kam seng jam daladi.
Nakaleng ke jela Meghalaya on jet ya apsan ngut ki nong seng kam ban pitch hakaron ke banwan bat nakini sangut kinyo ekalat ban mikmat ya kajela haka megapreneur expo ahaja arpusan
Nilaya ling bagi jin jenjar mentang ente rengkat bagi jing kersan ngin kentie ke jela Meghalaya
Haga katwe terik unai luar arhajar arpusan. Usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela bakmi katanat District Council Affairs uba Preston Tensong ulakular bak Sorkar jela kalakut jingmut hok ban penkuk bor kilai tli ki Autonomous District Council bat kalayai Buddien bak Sorkar Pedeng ban menjur ya ka Constitutional Amendment Bill ke basispa arpusan. Uba Preston Tensong habajubab ega resolution ke belawan ra da unong ilam keliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma haki yang dorbar. Ula kentui ke Sorkar Pedeng ban penkelai ke artikel ars pak prapau jong keriti sensyari kenang ban penkuk bor Finance Commission bagan ai jingmut ikilenti benang penhe ya ke Consolidated Fund ke jela ban pendap ke jingdan kam ke Autonomous District Council. Uba Preston Tensong ula ong bau Menteri Rang Ba labun sin ulia kendo yu Menteri Korbari ke Sorkar Pedeng bat kerpat ban menjur no kam kloi ya ke Constitutional 125th Amendment Bill arhajar kat kendai. Ula kular bak Sorkar jela kalakut jingmut ban pendep AKA kebalabu da keriti sensyari hagaban pentrekam mega State Finance Commission, Maria Trekam ke 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill. Ulong bagi Sorkar jela kala Jingmynjur ru sya Finance Commission ke bakan Rio bagan penjensur ke plan bat sya ban penan kam ke untied grant na ke bentak subjek ke bahap apa ke 6th schedule ban penkot tang jong ke 11th schedule. Kini kan aila di Autonomous District Council bagan penyat bil ilaki kam bat ula penpau bagi Sorkar jela kala pensya sya Finance Commission ke bakat san kenang bagi Jingmynjur halor ke State Finance Commission kin Trekam Satya ha Meghalaya. Halo kejeng terba ban penkelai ke artikel Arspa Prapo ke clause ke balai jong keritisan syari. Kebai bor ya ke Union Finance Commission ban ai kejengmut alor kilat gelenti benang penhe ya ke Consolidated Fund jong jela. Baganang la ban penhe ya ke song pisa ke Autonomous District Council. Uba Preston song ulong ba kene ke amendment ke kendon ke Buddien na ke bentak ke Autonomous District Council. Batkan pentikna ya ke jingsam ya ke song pisa ke bakam he asyaki. Unang ilam kaliang persya namar kejing soho ni kejubab kum tahu lepan benar bolo wengno ya ke resolution.
I beg to move this resolution under the relevant rules of procedure and conduct of business. Mr. Speaker, sir, whereas the three autonomous district councils, namely Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Jingmynjur Hills Autonomous District Council and Garo Hills Autonomous District Councils are established under the mandate of the 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India and are vested with power and responsibilities for effective administration of the 6 scheduled areas of the state of Meghalaya. And whereas the ADCs require to fulfill the objective as enshrined in the 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India, in the best interest of the scheduled tribes of the state of Meghalaya. And whereas the objective of the mandate of the Constitution of India requires ADCs to fulfill responsibility towards preserving and protecting the identity of our tribal people in respect of our rich tribal heritage, tribal land and resources within the 6th Schedule area, including the administration of justice as per the customary laws and traditions for overall welfare and interest of the tribals of the state. And whereas the ADCs are till date not adequately supported to ensure financial stability for fulfilling the constitutional responsibility, thereby failing the objective of the 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India, and whereas there is a genuine need for ensuring predictable, viable source of revenue for the ADCs in the state for their financial stability, and whereas the state legislature has enacted the Meghalaya State Finance Commission Act 2012, which is self-explanatory, and whereas sub-clause BB and sub-clause C of clause 3 of the Article 280 of the Constitution of India provides measures needed to augment the consolidated fund of a state to supplement the resources of, number one, panchayats of the state, and number two, the municipalities in the state respectively, on the basis of the recommendation of the finance commissions of the state. Now, therefore, this House to resolve to urge upon the Government of India to amend the Article 280 of the Constitution of India and add additional subclause under clause 3 of the Article 280 of the Constitution of India to empower and enable the Union Finance Commission to recommend measures needed to augment the consolidated fund of the state to supplement the resources of the ADCs in the state on the basis of the recommendation made by the Finance Commission of the state.
Salary crisis faced by both this council. One is Jingmynjur and number two is Garo Hills District Council. Let me be frank with you. Sir, in fact, as of now, even from this year, it is already minus. See, that's why, sir, I think the other day I've already replied. Why ultimately government seen there's serious consequences if we just leave it like that. Why we said why the Honorable Chief Minister that day said, we are willing to step in, bailing out the crisis. I think this is the issue where we are right now. That day, sir, I've already clarified. I said that don't worry, please don't have any kind of political agenda that we have from the government side, but really we are serious thinking about the welfare, about the livelihood of the employees of these two district councils, which is really very, very unfortunate. So, sir, I will not reply much on this because, as I said to you, we already constituted a committee, be it from the state level as well as to all the three district councils, and now this subcommittee is now on the job. They already even started the meeting with the MDCs, with the stakeholders, even with the employees, and then we have kept that within 45 days they need to submit a report. We are sincere enough about it, and we are so serious about it. Why we are so serious? Because even CM, he went up to the extent to say that from November, we would like to at least bail out something. So, sir, I will not elaborate much about this since we are waiting for the report from these two committees. So, as far as this issue again, the amendment, 125th amendment, sir, I could see, though I'm not member of the parliament, but I could see, number one, I could see the seriousness of the government. Because when they introduced in 2019, immediately they refer this proposed amendment of 125th amendment to the standing parliamentary committee. And this standing parliamentary committee, they have already visited all the states. They visited all the states who has this council. And now, in the year 2021, they submitted even the report. Though I don't have the exact date, the exact month, but in 2021, they submitted the report, and now the Home Affairs Ministry is examining, and I'm very sure, because recently when I discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister, when he met the Honorable Home Minister, Chief Minister has already spoken, and sir, not only us who has this problem, be it Mizoram, be it Nagaland, and be it Meghalaya, these are the three district council which is directly affected. So we will not sleep. We will push that this 125th amendment bill is passed in the parliament. And once that is done, I'm very sure this kind of tension that we have, this kind of challenges that we have in all these three district council can be ultimately resolved.